Hello and welcome to Audacity tutorial part 1. Today I'm going to introduce Audacity. For those who do not know about it, Audacity is an audio recording program from an external device, and later you could edit the audio as well as apply effects, save, and use it into your video recording tool or other development software. In fact, once audio is recorded, you can pretty much do anything you want with it. Now, Audacity is a pretty basic program to use. Any beginners can use it as long as you know how to use a computer. In Audacity, there are several buttons which are essential to use, and I'm going to introduce you to them here. You have the pause button, the play button, the stop button, the skip to the start button, and skip to the end of the track button, and the record button. Well, it's pretty obvious what their functions are, but I'm just going to go ahead and explain them for you. The pause button is to stop in between tracks. The play button is to use to play the track after you stop them. The stop button is used to completely stop your track. And you need to remember to stop your track if you want to edit it. The skip to the start and skip to the end button, well, it's pretty obvious what they do, but I find that I hardly use these buttons. Well, maybe it's because of my preference of using the clip indicator, which I will show you later in editing an audio clip. Now I'm going to explain to you what you typically will be doing in Audacity. You will probably be using the record button first to record your audio. Now let me demonstrate by doing the recording for you. I'm also going to purposely make mistakes in this recording. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Press the record. Hello and welcome to the first mini lecture for this course. Since this is a mini lecture, we're going to touch briefly on several aspects related to audio production, starting with the introduction to understanding sound. Now I'm going to press the pause button here instead of stop, because I want to pause for a while and I wouldn't like to actually continue recording on the same track. Okay? So now I'm going to record again. I'm going to unpause. Again, since this is a mini lecture, we are going to touch briefly on several aspects related to audio production, starting with the introduction to understanding sound and how sound contributes to e-learning. Pause. Okay, so now, just now I click on the pause button. Now, let's say if I press the stop button, I would do that if I would like to create an overlay of another recording on my pre-existing recording. So let's say if I click on the stop button, it will completely stop the track. Right, and when I begin to record the track again, it will record my voice on a completely new track. Now let's try on how we do this. Okay, let's try to record again. Hello, welcome to the mini lecture, and welcome to the first. You see? There are 2 tracks here. So this record is overlaying on another recording. So why do I want to do this overlay effect? Well, this will be useful if you want to do overlay audio tracks on top of each other so you can create cool effects. Well, the sky is the limit for your creativity, but we're not going to do that here. To be honest, for e-learning courseware or your teaching software or anything, you don't really need to use this effect, but this is just an add-on information which is good for you to know. I'm going to save the audio now. Okay, I'm going to delete this first because I don't need that. I'm going to just save the original recording which I made. I will want to use this same recording later when I want to show you how to edit the recording in part 2. So I'll just save project. Okay. I think I want to save as because I want to assign the folder for it. Okay. Okay. Here. I'm going to create a new folder. Yes. Save it as recording 1 and save. Well, that's all for now. Thank you for listening to this tutorial. Tune in to part 2, where I will teach you how to edit your recording, clipping the unwanted clips, and removing the white noise.